It's 5:15 and seems like it's gonna be beautiful afternoon here in Bali today.
Hold on when you need a friend, I'll never let you go again. Reach out when your mind's uneasy, 'cause I'll understand.
Hello world, I'm Damian from TheMonkeys. Dzień dobry wszystkim. I'm just after the La Plancha in Seminyak Double Six Beach today. And it's 45 minutes to sunset and seems like it's going to be busier and busier all the time. Heading now into Gado area, and this is like a little parking for the motorbikes. And well, definitely it's going busier and busier, guys. That was the time when was completely nothing was happening here in the past months. As you watching me, probably you remember, but now seems like definitely is something going on. It's more and more people everywhere. Even it's still quiet, of course, but more and more. And this is Gado and loud music inside, but that's good. That means the party and so many people inside.
Hold on when you need a friend, I'll stay here to the end. Get up, don't hang your head, we'll take it step by step.
Situation in Gado seems quite busy. Some people around, also the sunglasses and painting sellers. People entering the parking area, and this is the situation next to Anantara Seminyak. Also quite busy. It's always busy here, but seems like today is no difference. It's quite busy. Many people staying in the hotels around. Right, so the situation is like this, as is definitely more people around, and also the businesses like restaurants, bars seems more busier now. The only problem is that everywhere is so loud music. To compare to the last 2 years was so quiet here, nothing was happening, and there was also not that much music. Now everywhere is music, so I need to change a little bit of the style of my vlogging, and I need to use so many b-roll. B-roll is like an empty video what I put sometimes in the background, like now what I'm talking about, or sometimes with the music, my own music in the background. But in general, definitely everything looks more and more optimistic, guys. Oh, that's the very interesting flag. I will show you over there. Danger, swimming prohibited, guys. But the beach is nice. Yo, what's up, Doggo? What you see over here? If you are lost where I am, so this is the Anantara Hotel in Seminyak, Double Six, and the La Plancha is behind me. And if you will walk there, where it's maybe you cannot see, it's like 1 kilometer from here, maybe less, there will be Kudeta and Petit Engen. But maybe Kudeta and Petit Engen on different occasion. Now I'm gonna show you a little bit more about Double Six. Alright, there are horse people, doggos, and La Plancha. Also quite busy over there. Still people coming and coming.
Fell inside, now I'm living in a matchbox. All this time, all it needed was a little spark. Give me my heart back, 'cause somebody stole it and put it in your head. Give me my heart back, 'cause somebody stole it and put it in your head. Give me my heart back, 'cause somebody stole it and put it in your head.
I'm gonna prepare myself for flying drone and make a few shots from the sky for you guys. La Plancha is just behind me, and it's getting busier and busier, and definitely there are some foreigners, but still I have to say Canggu is number one if we are talking about the busy places in Bali, without any doubts. Seminyak is alright. Seems like, let's see how's the Kuta Legian gonna look at the end of the week, or maybe next week, but yeah, Canggu still, and this one is it's alright. Hello brother, how are you?
I'm good, man. Hey, the monkey.
The monkey. I like your t-shirt. I think I will have to do
you.
censure on it, but it's very nice. I like it.
Have a nice day.
Okay.
Success. Bye.
Take care. This guy is very nice. He's from Borneo. Loud music everywhere. I just wanted to notice as sunset is gonna be in 20 minutes, 15 minutes. Situation the same how it was. Also interesting fact as the prices in the bars around went a little bit higher now. I can notice the bintang now it's cost you 40k. Just interesting fact, because some of you asking about the prices, so I think it's gonna be a little bit more expensive now. Anyway, loud music everywhere, and situation by the beach. Gonna go a little bit have a look at the box area. the warungs everywhere, mostly local people, some of them. I think that's the last look for the sunset. It's gonna be very soon. Let's get to the street. Let's have a look a little bit. How does it look like? There is even local music around also over here, so seems like everything looks like this, but mostly local people enjoying their bags. So as you see, but also some foreigners, maybe they're just newcomers dealing with local.
Don't let it get to you, you're better than you know. When facing times of doubt, stand up and you grow.
I'm just at the front of Anantara and Kumala Pantai Hotel. I'm Legion already, and well, there are some foreigners actually by the street. I think that for the foreigners, I don't know if it's true or not, but I think more people are gonna be on the streets actually than by the beach, except maybe Kuta beach when the people are drinking bintangs. But after that seems like this, so maybe next upcoming vlog is gonna be from the cities. Kuta again, Seminyak. I don't know who was that, somebody knows me. But very nice, very nice. And anyway, this is the Pavilion pub. Seems like also busy. There are some foreigners actually quite busy there. I will zoom it for you because there are some events there. Alright, so in simple words, seems like they are more interested about the bars and watching a fight, whoever it is. Seems like packed of people. So now you know the answer at the end of the video, guys. I mean, my situation by the street is definitely kind of busy like. So I think I found out the secret. The tourists, newcomers, especially from UK and Australia, I bet. They are mostly in the bars, watching sports, watching football, watching fights, drinking and enjoying their life, not really by the beach. So maybe that was my bad. Now I know where to vlog in the next upcoming days, to looking for the tourists. That's very interesting fact actually. Yo, look at this. There's that busiest Grab driver driving on the pub, and this lovely lady asked to park somebody like this, as now I have to use the passenger side. Can you imagine that? That's crazy. Seriously, like, I don't remember when last time in my life I used to do. Oh, I'm too big for this sort of cars, and I paid 10,000 for parking. Check this out. Alright guys, that's the at least happy ending of today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow on next on See Ya. Take care, guys.
Don't let it get to you, you're better